Welcome to my product sourcing and e-commerce journey in China. Today I'm at the Beijing International Wine Industry Expo to see what types of alcohols are available in China, and there were a lot of different types of alcohol, but mainly all the suppliers here were like mainly Chinese, and just a few imported wines from Australia and France. The Chinese alcohol market, I can say it has got a big potential, especially for international brands. If you want to supply your alcohol in China, it will be easy. Also, you can order alcohol drinks from China and supply in any region or country you are in. And there is a very strong culture and tradition of Chinese wines that they've got a very big market, and they've got a potential to really do well in other countries. So if you're interested in sourcing alcohol drinks from China, I recommend you do so. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel and drop a comment below, as I'll be showing you my other content for other exhibitions which I attended this week. Thank you for watching.